Dance holding on 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to clap on 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to swing on 1, behind on 2, up on 3, back on 4, down on 5, ripple it, 6 or 7 or 8. You're going to step on 1, together, 2, hit T, 3, in on 4, swing it, 5, 6, in, 7, punch it up on 8. We're going to just start that over from the beginning. On 1, 2, 3, 4, clap it, 5, 6, 7, 8, swing, 1, 2, up, 3, 4, down on 5, ripple 6, ripple 7, 8, step 1, 2, 3, 4, swing, 5, 6, in, 7, punch, 8. Moving on from here, we're going to step on 1, hit 2, step 3, hit 4, 5, hit 6, clap on 7, clap on 8. You're going to swing on 1, 2, step behind on 3, V on 4, circle it, 5, up on 6, clap on 7, clap on 8. You're going to start over on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ripple 7 or 8, step 1, together 2, T, 3, 4, 5, 6, in, 7, punch, 8, step 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 5, hit 6, clap 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, together 4, 5, 6, clap 7, punch 8.